Let's go.
Welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we are doing a humongous PR haul and I'm so excited. I have quite a few new releases from Nars, Colourpop, Natasha Denona, Urban Decay, so lots of fun stuff and I cannot wait to unbox everything for you guys. Another thing I want to say in this video is a big thank you to all you guys that watched my life update video. I feel like I could have said a little bit more and I may do like a part 2 to that video, but I just want to say thanks for all your love and support that you guys have shown me. As you know, me and Snowball a building and we're in the process of renovating it. I changed jobs and that's why I haven't been as active on YouTube because life has just been crazy. But anyways, I'm very excited to see these new launches. So before we dive in, if you're new, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to unboxing. Okay, first thing we have came from Nars. Got my big scissors. It says Nars and then Orgasm X on the front. I do love the Orgasm collection. I love the blush and I also love the Lip Oh. It's like my favorite. I'm so glad they did this like little package because I think I saw someone else open it and the products had this, yes, around them. Because last time they did like little stickies in the bottom and I could not get those off. But oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this has a mirror on it too. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says X Appeal on it. And then here are the new products. We have prices. It says available May 1st, which is obviously come and gone. So at least they are available. First thing that we have here is the Nars Orgasm Mini Eyeshadow Palette. These are always super cute. So here's what it looks like. Oh, and they're like really pretty, I feel like summery shades. You have like the pink, the orange, gold glitters and everything. Super pretty. Then we have, oh yes, the cheek palette. This is what I'm the most excited for. Cannot wait to swatch this beauty. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette retails for $25. The cheek palette retails for $42. Yes, yes. Beautiful. All right, so the first shade is going to be a highlight shade. Woo, it is so beautiful. Second shade is Orgasm. And then the last shade is going to be Orgasm X, which is like a darker pinky tone. I think these are so beautiful. I haven't really been wearing like a ton of blush lately. And I think it's because I've been lazy and I haven't had a lot of blush in my section where I get ready. So this is definitely going right there for my everyday area. And so here's what these three look like. Super, super pretty. And then we have two different eyeshadow palettes. So we have just the original Orgasm palette and then we have an Orgasm X palette. Ooh, so pretty. These are definitely, I feel like, very nice everyday shades. That like rosy blush color. Ooh, super, super pretty. And there they are on the hand. I love just the overall sheen that the shimmers gives too. I feel like they would be really pretty and brighten up the eye. And then we have, ooh, now the Orgasm X one. It is really pretty. I think it's my favorite. This would be like, oh, love that. A really, really pretty fall palette too. Just because like the cranberries in it. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. And here are those shades on the side. Beautiful palettes. This is a really awesome collection here by Nars. Oh, last thing I forgot, the Lip Oh, which is normally my favorite. I have a couple different colors from Nars and they're just kind of like everyday wear. They feel super comfortable in the lips and they just feel so good. All right, so this one is the Orgasm X one. I bet it's so pretty. Oh yes, love. I wonder if I could put this over my lips right now. Yeah, it just gives a really pretty sheen. It is so beautiful. I don't know if you can tell in my hand, but it has just like a really pretty peachy orangey undertone, but it is gorgeous. This one and the original Orgasm one are my favorite colors, I believe. They have another one, some that they came out last year. They were like purple and pink and those are really pretty, but I love the sparkle that the Orgasm collection has. So a big thank you to Nars. I'm so grateful for this package and I cannot wait to try everything out. Okay, next thing we have is from Natasha Denona. Yes, all these brands are coming out with the most beautiful summer collections. If you guys want to see a testing out new makeup, I think I want to do a video kind of using all of these because they look so pretty. So first we have the bronze palette. I kind of have fingerprints all over it, so excuse that. But again, beautiful, beautiful shades. I love how I feel like this summer it's very in to do like those deepy, those deep tones. Just like that last Orgasm palette, I feel like these are very, you know, deep, but really pretty and like smoky for summer. I'm just going to swatch a couple of the shimmer shades because you guys know, I feel like Natasha Denona, we never really have to question the quality because 10 times out of 10, all of her palettes are amazing. Whoa. Look at all those different bronze shades. I am just loving and living for this. Okay, let me swatch like one or two more. Here's a few more. Ooh, look at that, like berry. It's like multicolored tones. So gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this one as well. So pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna give you one close up and then I'm gonna have to wipe it off. Then we have the bronze cheek palette right here. And so two of these shades are cream. This one, I don't know if it's gonna show up as much on my hand. Ooh, but they look really pretty. So we have the first one. It's just so intense. And then here's a cream one. But there are those shades. Oh, I like honestly want to take my makeup off right now and start playing with all this makeup because it's just so pretty. And then lastly, she has the Lip Oh 4s, which they came out in like 3 different bronze shades. Really pretty. They have lots of like glitter and shimmer in them. So a big, big thank you to Natasha Denona and the Natasha Denona team for sending these over. Next we have Urban Decay Naked Palette. And this is the newest Naked palette in their collection. I haven't opened this yet, but I'm very excited to see what it looks like. And you know, I looked at it like a week or 2 ago when it came out, but I haven't looked at it since. So this is even going to be a surprise for me. Ooh, okay, Urban Decay. So it says Urban Decay Ultra Violet. And y'all know I love a good purpley palette. Okay, so here is what the shades look like right here. So you have a few matte colors, but for the majority of it, it really looks like shimmer. So you have like some neutral tones, a really pretty like orangey bronze shimmer, and then you have this really pretty mint shimmer, and then some more purpley violet shades. So super pretty. Next we have Benefit Club Pink. And yes. Okay, we have their 24-hour brow setter, which is like a brow setting gel. But the thing I'm most excited about is this Browvo conditioning primer. I have talked about this before, but probably a couple years ago I had very, very thin brows. I mean, super duper thin. And I stayed committed. I used this seriously every single night before I went to bed. And my eyebrows grew so much that I'm honestly embarrassed that I even kept them that thick. I mean, they were humongous. And I literally went from like a little teeny sprig of hair to like huge bushy eyebrows, all from this Browvo conditioner. So I love, love, love this and totally would recommend it if you guys want to grow out your brows. Okay, next we have from Colourpop. And it's been a while since I've gotten anything from Colourpop in the mail, so this is super exciting. I love their wrapping that they do with these. I feel this is like a pastel dream. It says the pastel collection of your dreams. That is hilarious. Didn't even read that before I said that. Okay, so I think we have a couple different palettes in here, it looks like. Maybe some body shimmers. Let's see, let's see. All right, we have Face Milk. It says, oh, this is from 4th grade. Okay, so this says Coconut Face Milk. It is a nourishing moisturizer booster. It's like really pretty white face milk. Then we have Shimmering Dry Oil in Rainbow Glow. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Let me shake it up. So it's like really pretty and sparkly. Then we have Glam Rock Glitter Obsessed Body Glitter. This is in a really beautiful gold shade. We have some BFF Cream Gel Liner Kit. All right, what are these palettes? I'm really interested in this. Okay, this says Super Shock Highlighter. Oh, I thought that it was a palette, but it's just like a big highlight. Ooh, this looks like a really pretty rose gold shade. Oh, so here's that. I'm actually not gonna swatch that. One thing I've learned about me, I typically don't wear a ton of like the pinky purple shades on my cheek. There's only been one, and I think that was from Becca, that I used a lot in that shade color. So I'm gonna save this to gift to you guys. And the next one is another really pretty one. Let's go ahead and swatch this. So I will definitely wear that shade. Really pretty. Wow. Definitely packs a punch on the highlight spectrum. Beautiful. And I'm trying to see how much these retail for. It doesn't say, but you guys know Colourpop is so inexpensive. And then lastly, we have the palette. So it says Miss Bliss Pressed Powder Palette. Oh, beautiful. So here's like some shades. Oh, that last orange felt really creamy. So there are some of those shades swatched. Really, really pretty colors. I love a good orange look. I love a good purple look. I love a good like orange, bronzy, peachy look too. So thank you so much to Colourpop for that package. Next we have Boxycharm. Now this is actually Boxycharm from June because I wanted to kind of wait till I had quite a few products to go through with you guys. Oh girl, okay. What all do we have here? Let's see, let's see. Okay, first thing we have is the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. We have KAB. I'm not sure who that is. Ooh, but it's like a real big lip gloss, and then it also comes with a matching lip liner. We have the Bump Eraser Body Scrub from First Aid Beauty, which is amazing. I've used this. It's actually in my shower. Then we have a palette from Laura Geller, and this is the Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek palette. Pretty shades there. And then last, which I'm excited about, this is called Philip Orange. Ooh, this looks like it's about to crack. This actually looks exactly like this MAC palette that came out a couple years ago. I'm trying to like smush this down. And then there is that right there, super pretty. Thank you so much to Boxycharm for that package. All right, very last package came from Bliss. And I don't think I've ever really gotten anything from Bliss before. Okay, let's see what we have here. So here's what the package looks like. This is so cute. It came with like little stickers. And these are oil-free makeup removing wipes. So big thank you to Bliss for that package. And you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I hope that you enjoyed it. And as always, I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.